Action!
Hi, thank you, Rosa. That was a really nice action. So today we're doing in this tutorial alterations and repairs, which is so useful. I'm going to show you two very important things. A hem, a classic hem for a pair of trousers like these, and also something amazingly useful, which are fittings. Not everybody teaches you how to do fittings, like they teach you how to put a bottom, how to mend a hole. We're gonna see fitting here. We're gonna do this in this shirt over here, okay? Looking forward to it. Let's start with the hem, okay? I'm just gonna take my little friend out of the picture.
See you later.
See you later, alligator. There you go.